Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I would like to talk about a wonderful social media where you can promote your Redbubble store, your Redbubble products to get sales. And this huge platform has a great traffic, which is about 300 million visitors per month. And they all are eager to buy things like t-shirts, stickers, hoodies, and something like that. And I am sure most of you don't know neither this platform nor its power to get traffic to your Redbubble store and get sales. And this platform is Tumblr.com. So if you want to know how to promote your products well in this platform in a professional way and get sales in God willing, so please keep watching this video and don't skip any part of it because I am sure this video has a great value for you. But before I dive into today's topic, I would appreciate if you like this video and subscribe now to my channel for more tips and tricks in making money online in many fields like print on demand, affiliate marketing, and others. And now let's go together to Tumblr.com and to know how to promote your Redbubble products well in professional way. And now we are on Tumblr.com, and if you don't know what Tumblr is one of the biggest microblog website, which means people are coming here to create microblogs, micro websites where they can share their posts like articles, videos, photos, and they also can share their products as well. Okay, so Tumblr is plugs, contains millions of micro plugs, and as I said before, Tumblr.com has a great traffic to it. So let's have a look to its traffic on SimilarWeb. As you see, it's about 300 million people a month. Okay, so you can take the advantage of this traffic to show off your products professionally and promote your Redbubble products, your Redbubble designs, and any other print on demand platform products. Okay, and when you share your posts here on Tumblr, people will engage with them with likes and comments, and of course they can visit your websites, your stores, and your products. Okay, I will give you an example. Here on Tumblr, we can search for any item of print on demand products like t-shirts, stickers, hoodies, and so on. So we can type here t-shirt for example. Okay, and here you can find a lot of posts for t-shirt, as you see, and all these posts have great engagement, like this one, 7,000 notes, as you see here. Okay, high engagement rate on these such posts. Okay, people here are promoting their t-shirts. So let's check out any one of them, like this one. I can take this one. Okay, as you see, people are interacting with this post. People are engaging with this t-shirt. They love it. As you see here, 4,000 likes and 2,000 replugs, which means reshares. People reshare this t-shirt. Okay, and you'll find here many people wanna purchase it. Like, I had this t-shirt. Okay, I wanna this, need this shirt, and so on. Okay, oh my god, this is perfect, I own this shirt. And you will find a lot of these comments, and the same in this all posts of t-shirts. As you see here, high engagement of comments and likes and replugs. Okay, let's try on this one, stickers. Okay, as one of print on demand products, stickers. Here you will find a lot of engagement, as you see, notes. Okay, likes, comments, reshare or replugs, as you see. Okay, and now how to promote your Redbubble products, your Redbubble designs to get high traffic, hundreds of visits to get sales in God willing. And to know that, firstly you have to create a free account on Tumblr here, or in other words, you have to create a new plug here on Tumblr. Okay, so I will show you the process of creating a new plug on Tumblr quickly as possible as I can. Okay, So go back here to this home page of Tumblr to create a new blog, to create a new account here on tumblr.com. Okay, make a stuff, look at stuff, talk about stuff, find your people. Okay, so we will go to this button of sign up here quickly. Click over this. You will enter some details about your email, password, and the blog name, your blog name, your micro blog. Okay, I will be quick on this, so I can start with this email, temporary email, copy, back to Tumblr, paste, password. Okay, blog name, we can type in Redbubble as an example. Sign up. You can take one of these suggestions like this one. It's perfect. Sign up. How old are you? I will give it 30. Next. Okay. You can skip them. Skip. Okay, here we are on your account on Tumblr, on your micro blog. Okay, as you see here. Here you will find your likes, following, okay, and your posts, followers, drafts, activity, and so on. And to promote your Redbubble products here on Tumblr, there are two ways. The first way is from Redbubble itself, as you see here. After you upload your design on Redbubble and you want to promote your design's product, as you see here, your portfolio, like tank top, tri-lined t-shirt, v-neck t-shirt, dipped hoodie, and so on, you can click over this arrow. You can share this product on Facebook or Twitter, Tumblr. Okay, so here when you click this option, share on Tumblr, you can promote this product on your microblog on Tumblr. So it is the first way to promote your products on your microblog on tumblr.com. Okay, and the second way is from Tumblr itself. You can share your post, okay, your product, by using these options. You can share your video, audio, chatting, your link here, your code, your photo, and your text. And as I said before, here on Tumblr, in your microblog, you can share your posts like articles, videos, images, and so on. Okay, so to promote your Redbubble products, it's better to you to choose this one, text. Okay, so click over this. And here in these details, you can put in the title of your design. Okay, so if you want to promote a product of yoga, okay, I want to promote today a yoga design, so we can click here, yoga. Perfect. And the second section, you can, here in this options, you can upload a photo of your design or an image of your product, and it's better for you to upload a professional mockup of your design to show the beauty of your design. Okay, and here I recommend you placeit.net. So I can here upload a photo of my product. Okay, click over this, take this one, as you see, beautiful. Yoga and coffee are all I need. Okay, so you can change this title, which is about yoga and coffee. Okay, and here in this third section, as you see here, you can add some sentences describing your design and add a call to action. Okay, and there is a section of tags. Here you can add some hashtags, some tags which are related to your post, to your design, as you see, that enable people to find your t-shirt and engage with and get sales. Okay, so I'll give an example like yoga daily, yoga clothing, yoga, okay, yoga practice. We can try fitness, fit women, okay, sport, example, meditation. Awesome. Okay, and here in this gear icon, click over this, and then you can add the link of your product here from Redbubble, okay, in this content source. Okay, so we can back to Redbubble. We can take this one, okay, copy this link. It's an example, of course, copy, go back to our Tumblr post, paste it, okay, perfect, post. That's it. And you can find your post from this option, posts, okay. Yoga is for everyone, source Redbubble, so anyone can click over this one to visit your product, and you can purchase this awesome t-shirt of yoga, okay. And here you can promote your Redbubble products, your Redbubble store, your Redbubble designs here on Tumblr as frequent as you can to get more visits, to get more traffic to your store and get sales in God willing. So we reached the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video, and goodbye.